5 steps to obtain an H-1B work visa for the United States. If you want to apply for an H-1B work visa for the United States, you must follow these steps. 1. Get a job offer from a U.S. company that is willing to sponsor your visa. The company must show that it needs to hire a foreign worker because there are not enough qualified U.S. workers for the position. In addition, the company must pay the foreign worker a wage equal to or greater than the prevailing wage for the position and the geographic area where the job is located. 2. The company must submit an electronic application to the U.S. Department of Labor for a labor certification, which is a document certifying that the hiring of the foreign worker will not adversely affect U.S. workers. This step must be done between March 1st and 31 of the fiscal year in which you want to obtain the visa. 3. If the labor certification is approved, the company must file a petition with USCIS to request the H-1B visa for the foreign worker. This request must be made between April 1st and 6th of the fiscal year in which you want to obtain the visa. The petition must include the following documents: Form I-129, Petition for a Non-Immigrant Worker; Form I-129H, Supplement for H-1B and H-1B1 workers; Form I-129DCS, Employer Statement on Labor Compliance; Labor certification approved by the Department of Labor; copy of the passport of the foreign worker; copy of the academic degree or professional certificate of the foreign worker; copy of the employment contract or offer letter from the employer; copy of the receipt of payment of the corresponding fees. 4. If the petition is approved, USCIS will send an approval notice, Form I-797, to the employer and foreign worker. The foreign worker must request an appointment at the U.S. consulate or embassy closest to their country of residence to apply for the visa. To do this, you must present the following documents: passport valid for at least 6 months after the intended date of entry into the United States; Form DS-160, non-immigrant visa application, completed online and with printed barcode; confirmation page of the DS-160 form with the confirmation number printed; recent color photo with white background, size 5 by 5 centimeters; receipt of payment of the consular fee, which varies by country; approval notice, Form I-797, sent by USCIS; copy of the employment contract or offer letter from the employer; copy of the academic degree or professional certificate of the foreign worker. 5. If the visa application is approved, the foreign worker will receive a stamp in their passport indicating the validity date of the H-1B visa. The foreign worker can travel to the United States up to 10 days before the start date of the employment contract and must present their passport and the approval notice, Form I-797, at the port of entry. Once in the United States, the foreign worker will receive an admission card, Form I-94, indicating the authorized period of stay. Other H-1B work visa considerations. The H-1B visa has a maximum duration of 6 years, although it can be renewed for periods of 3 years if any of the following conditions are met: have a pending permanent residence application, have a labor certification approved by the United States Department of Labor, have an immigrant petition approved by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. The H-1B visa has an annual limit of 65,000 visas available, plus an additional 20,000 for individuals with a master's degree or higher from a U.S. institution. This limit is known as the cap or quota and is usually reached quickly each fiscal year, which begins on October 1st and ends on September 30th of the following year. Applying for an H-1B visa is a complex and competitive process that requires meeting various requirements and deadlines. For more information, visit our website, immigrationvisa.com.